everyone, welcome to my channel Fun Learning with Raj Lakshmi. Today's video is going to be so interesting. Well, we all know that in this pandemic time, schools are closed and keeping our child engaged in some activity is really so challenging for all the parents, especially working parents. Don't worry, today I have brought some brain boosting activities for your child. The best part of these activities is that you don't require any extra material which you need to purchase from the market. You can make use of the things available at your home, and definitely these activities will help you in the overall development of your child. You yourself will forget your stress, play with your child, and it's going to be so much fun. So if you like today's video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, as I told you that it motivates me a lot to bring better learning videos for you all. And also do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my next video. So let's begin the fun. First activity which I'm going to play with my child is the phonics sound game. You know what is a phonics sound? Every letter has a sound. For example, you must be knowing that nowadays in school, teachers are teaching through phonics sound. A for apple, B for ball, ba. So like these, all the letters are having some sound. These sounds are very important for a child to learn and they must know. Don't restrict your child from A to Z, the particular words which are taught in the school only or in the book. For example, A for apple. So they know only apple starts from A or aeroplane starts from A. You can increase the vocabulary of your child through this game. If phonics sound they know well, it will surely help them in reading. This I can assure you. So come on, join me and my child in this game. Hey, say hi to everyone.
Hi.
Are you excited for the game, Prabha?
Sure.
Sure. Okay. Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. Teddy bear starts from what letter? Come on, tell me. T. How many teddy bear can you see? One. Very good. Come on. Let's move on to the next one. Book starts from what letter? Book. Book starts from what letter? Ba. What is that? Book. B. Okay, how many books are there? 2 books are there. Very nice. Okay. Oranges start from what letter? Orange. Oh, how many are there?
1, 2,
3. What is the color?
3. Orange.
Okay, orange starts from O and the color is orange. Very nice. Okay. Now, what is this? What toy is this?
Fire.
Fire truck. Fire starts from what letter? Come on, think. Fire. F. What is that? F. Excellent. Okay, what is the color of the fire truck?
Color red.
Red color. Very good. Hey, can I see these small cars? How many are there?
1, 2, 3.
Car. Car starts from what letter?
C.
C. Tell me the colors.
White, red, green.
Green. White, red and green. Very good. What toy is this?
Yellow. Giant. Bulldozer.
That is a bulldozer. Bulldozer starts from what letter? Bulldozer starts from what letter? Hear my sound. B. What is that?
B.
B. Okay. What is this?
Plant.
This is a plant. What letter does it start from? What is the letter? It starts from plant. Hear my sound. P. What is that? P. So when you are not able to tell the letter, hear the sound. For example, teddy bear. T. Plant. P. Okay. Okay. Fan starts from what letter? Fan starts from what letter? Fan starts from what letter? Can you tell me? Puff, puff, I'll give you a hint. F, exactly. Prabhav, door starts from what letter? Door. D, where is the door? What is the color? Brown. Touch the door and come quickly. Quickly, quickly. Touch the door and come. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Friends, did you see how the child enjoys this game? At the same time, he's learning a lot. Okay, phonic sound is very, very important. Teach whatever things are available at your home and ask them to touch and come. They will also run. It will involve their physical activity also. I hope you are going to try this at your home. Let's move on to the next activity. Next activity is a magic game. Children love magic. What you have to do, take some toys of your child, or some children are very fond of, animals. Some are fond of vehicles, fire engine, bulldozer. You take some items, keep it in a basket or on a tray, hide those things with a cloth or with a dupatta or with a napkin, anything which is available at your home. And you can remove one item and the child does not know that. And then you ask which item is missing. You can understand better by seeing the clip of my child and me. Watch this and try this. Prabha, are you ready for the magic game? Okay, so I will keep your cards inside. This is a blue color bulldozer. What is this? Blue bulldozer. Okay. This is what? Police car. What is this? Yellow bulldozer. Yellow crane. White car. Green car. Okay. All right. Are you ready for the magic? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes properly. Play properly. Okay. Close your eyes. Prabhav, open your eyes. Which car is not there? Tell me which car is missing. Tell me which car is missing. See properly and tell me.
I know.
Tell me which car is missing. Tell me.
Police car.
Police car. Very good. Now close your eyes again. Oh, keep fingers in your eyes. Okay, now open your eyes. Which car is missing?
Police car and white car.
Police car and white car. Yay!
Police car. Down the properly.
So these two are missing, right? Yes, yes. So friends, you can see it helps in development of their concentration, observation power, and they have a lot of interest in playing. They will love to play. Okay? Friends, it's time to tell you about the other activity. This activity is all about reading and writing. These two are very, very important aspects for learning a language. You need to develop the interest of reading in your child, and you can do this very easily. How? Let me tell you. You need to find out the interest of your child. For example, my child loves vehicles. He just wants to know about vehicles. So I have purchased books of some vehicles, like I have tractor book, I have a bulldozer book, and he want to learn about those things. Being a parent, you must be knowing the interest of your child. Some children love animals, some want to know about some moral stories, anything. Make a habit before sleeping, just sit with your child. Even one page is enough. The small words, like 2 letters words of TO2 or FOR for, these words you should emphasize so that the children should learn these words. When they will see, they will memorize very easily. Their brain is very sharp and they will understand, they can recognize also next time. You can understand how I am doing this when you will see the video. Let's move on to the writing part. Children are often in a mood of not writing anything. Most of the time they just want to run away or play, but they don't want to write. It happens. In those days, what you should do, just make your child write a letter O or letter A. It can be letter T also. Just make them write simple letters. And the best part is they will learn the 2-letter words. They can learn the 3-letter words. How? You can see and understand better if you will see the video. Come on, join me and my child. Above, can you read the letters and tell me?
S A N U N A N.
Hanuman. Always break. Okay. Hanuman. Okay. Hanuman. Okay. Tell me I will point some words and you have to tell me. Okay. T-O. Two. Very good. All right. Tell me the next one. O-N. On. Very nice. H-E. How do we pronounce this word? H-E. He. Very good. He we use for boys, right? He we use for boys. Okay. T-O. Prabha. 2. Okay. Come on. I-N. Come on, tell me this one. I-N. In. I-N. In. Okay. Next one. Come on. U-P. Up. Very good. He flew up and up. Who flew up? Who wanted to? Hanuman. Hanuman wanted to touch the sun. He thought the sun was a mango, right? Yes. So he flew up and up. Very nice. What is this IT? How do we pronounce IT? Look here. IT. How do we pronounce this word? It. Okay? It. Very nice. Okay. Again, OF. How do we pronounce off? Repeat. Off. OF. Yeah. What is TO? How do we pronounce? 2. Come on. Write O here also. Beautiful. NO. How do we pronounce? Very good. Come on. Write O. Next one. O. Only O. Yeah. G-O. Go. Okay. Now come on. Write here O. Don't make a big one. Always start from the red line. And do not make a big one. D-O. Okay. Now come on. Make this one. One more is left. Come. Yes. Write O. Only today you have to write O. Yes. Okay. S-O. So. So to, no, go, do, so. Okay. Next you have to write A. Just write A. Yes. Write A. Come on. Red line. Yes. This is red line. Yes. Make A. Yes. Bring it down. Yes. Okay. A-M. Okay. Come on. Write A here again. A. Write A. A-N. And. Come on. Write A here again. A-T. At. Very good. Come on. Next one. Beautiful. A-S. As. So am, an, at, as. Beautiful, Prabha. Friends, try these activities with your child and you will see a lot of improvement in him or her. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will definitely bring a lot of activities for your child in the next videos very soon. Do watch my next videos.